Oh, there we go. Fish on. Oh, she's a flyer. That might be a keeper. Boy, she just dunked down. Oh man, she's trying to go under my kayak. What is going on the lake with my kayak? I can't even tell you the last time I was on a lake fishing with a kayak with no kids. So I've got a few hours to burn out here on this little pond. I haven't been out here for about 5-6 years, so I really don't know what to expect, but I know there's some pretty deep spots in this place. I can't remember what the structure looks like underneath, but I'm out here on the kayak, got a few poles with me, and we're gonna spend some time, see if we can pull about anything in. Bluegill, crappie, bass, there might be a cat that comes up. I got some worms, I got some jigs. We're just gonna do some fishing and see what bites. All right, we got a little slip bobber and jig set up about, I don't know, 2 foot deep. So we're gonna just toss it out and see what happens over here. Wind is kind of pushing us backwards. So kind of let it do its thing, and we'll kind of hopefully float across the pond and cover some ground. I might take the plastic off and just put a real worm on there here in a little bit. See what is biting, if anything. All right, we'll let that marinate for a few. I got a little weedless set up on this second pole, so I'll do a little playing around, hitting up the shore, reeling her back in, see what happens. Oh, there we go. Fish on. I was like, what, 2 casts, 3 casts? Oh, don't tell me it came off. No. Something was on there. It came off. Man, it hit hard. Gosh darn. All right, we are on the right track. Let's see if I can get that bad boy back over here. Dang it. That's promising. Wind is changing directions. I'm getting pushed off the other direction now, so I might have to. Oh, I think something just. God, I felt like something almost hit that one. There we go. Oh, it just flew out of the water. He crossed my other line. That's right, we got him. Oh man, he's pulling in nothing big. He is nothing big, but it's a fish, right? Heck yeah, and he caught my other line too. Here we go. Nice. Let's see now if I can get him over here. Come here, buddy. Oh. Go. Ooh, he's still on my line. There we go. There. First fish. That's all right by me. That was fun. I'll let you go, buddy. I think there's a 16-inch limit on those, so I'll have to double check that. I'm not 100% sure, but boy, he hit that hard. Let's try that again. Actually, I got to straighten out my my lines here, because he jumped over my line, wrapped up into my second line, so I got to do a little fixing here quick. That might be the way to go, though. Get this guy out of here, see what's going on. Oh man, he like went under my kayak. He just jacked this thing all up. Okay, I'm gonna straighten this out. I'll get back with you guys. All right, well that took longer than I thought. That thing was all wrapped up, but luckily I am good to go now. That worm was destroyed, so luckily I had a second worm. I packed pretty light. I didn't bring a whole lot with me, so we'll see if this keeps on going, keeps on working for us. Should probably Google really quick and find out what the bass limit is, because I am not afraid to cook up some bass. I've actually cooked up bass before for my kids, and they've liked it quite a bit. All right, here we go. I'm dragging my bobber behind me, but that is okay. All right. Little extra line here on my bobber setup over there. I'll go that a bit. Oh man, another bite, and I just ripped it right out of his mouth. Dang, right at the end too. He must have been coming up to the surface. Dang. All right, let's get that back out there. I'm getting bites. It's all that matters, right? Wasn't prepared for that one. I was dang near at the surface of the water. He freaking took off with it. Get back over there again. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Oh, she's a flyer. That might be a keeper. Boy, she just dunked down. Oh man, she's trying to go under my kayak. Trying to go under the kayak. Holy moly. Wow. Not happy. Wow, there we go. There we go. Oh, this one is going on the stringer. Oh, there we go. Got it. Got it. Dang, boys. See if I can get this thing off here now. How did you get hooked there, buddy-o? There's a log pile over there, or brush pile. That's kind of where I hit. I was about 4 feet from it. This guy just comes rocking it. All right, I do have a pair of pliers with me. Might need a little bit more force. All right, look at that. That is a keeper. Man, like I said, I ain't afraid to cook up some bass. Not like I take tons of fish out of anything, but when I can get them, I want them. So here we go. I gotta get the stringer out, get this one saved. Now if I can get a couple more like this, kids will be happy. Have ourselves a little fish fry. You see that tractor behind me? I think he's raking some hay. I think I got to go back to that same spot I was just at. So I got blown way off course, way to the other side. So, all right, let's get my bobber going. There he goes. He's dropping his rakes. All right, I don't know. I might just set this bobber rig to the side right now and focus on my weedless, because it seems to be working right now. So we're gonna go paddle over the other side, let the wind take us. Oh, there we go. Another fish on. Oh, did he? He jumped straight out of the water and he spit it out. Dang. All right, let me straighten this thing out. Dang, man, that was awesome. Hey, I'll take bites all day long. Feels good to pull them in, but at least you know they are out here. They're going after what you're throwing for them. Let's get him. Again, throwing it right at that brush pile, about 4 or 5 feet from it. Just throwing it in, letting it sink to the bottom. And really, they're almost hitting it right when it hits the bottom before I even start reeling it. Gotta find that sweet spot, I guess. But almost every time, that's what it's been. Hits the bottom and it just gives a nice little tug. I'm getting a little bit far from it, but we'll see if this will do what I need to do. Oh, got one. It's on. It's on. Nice. Pulling the boat. Pulling the boat. Oh, it is pulling some drag. Dang. Let's see what this thing is. Hasn't jumped out of the water yet like the last few. Ooh. Oh, yeah. It's going on the stringer. Holy cow, these things are ferocious. All right, get here, buddy. All right, let's see if we can do this. Don't want to lose it. Don't want to lose it. Oh, man. Ooh, yeah, he's barely hooked though, but let's see. Ooh, got him, got him. All right, let's see what we can do here. The hardest part about kayak fishing is you're limited on space. Get a little drag out of here. Oh my goodness. All right, you ready for this one? Second one. Look at that thing. Killer. This one's going on the stringer for sure. So if I had 4, it'd be pretty nice. And actually I'm running right into the brush pile right now. That wind's kind of changing. So look at that thing. What a beauty. Good old farm boys. Ooh, that was a hit again, but I missed it. Dang it. They're out there. They are out there. Oh, got one. Oh, man. Don't tell me it came off. I'm just not getting this thing set quite right for these guys. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Oh, it jumped and it shot it out of its mouth again. It was a little guy. It was a little guy. What is going on? Come here, guy. Yeah, he must just be getting the tail end of it or something in their mouths. That was still fun. That was still fun. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Fish on. Hopefully it doesn't come off. Don't come off. There we go. It must be set. We must be good. I don't think it's a keeper, but it's a fish. Nice. All right, see if we can get him in here. Come here, guy. There. Nothing huge, but fish, catch, put up a nice little fight. All right, little guy going back home. All right, I do believe our luck has finally ran out. We've been fishing for almost an hour now, and we've caught that one little guy that I just released into the water, but we have 2 keepers on the stringer. So we're gonna take those things home. And like I said, I am not afraid to cook some bass. And next time you see me, we will be at the grill getting ready to fry these things up. What is going on? It's actually the next day. Got home really late last night, filleted those fish out, set them in some water overnight. Today I dried them all off, got them cut up into some nice little cubes, and we're gonna go plain and simple. We're gonna do the whole Frank's red hot sauce binder with some flour, some salt and pepper. This is something my son had about 2 years ago when we were camping. He absolutely loved it, so that's what we're gonna do today. So got our fish here, just gonna dump in some red hot, let it soak for about 30 minutes. I already got the oil up on the grill, heating up as we speak. Get the lid on that thing. All right, and we will let that do its thing for a bit. So, and we got something super simple. We got flour. Just enough to cover what we need. Salt and pepper. That's the key though. You gotta make it nice and dirty. There we go. Nice and dirty. Get that flavor in there. Got a little bit more. There we go. I think that'll do it quite nicely. So, that is ready. Our fish is soaking. We'll let that sit for about half an hour. We'll go check on our oil, and we will start our fish fry. All right, it is officially time to get these things battered up. So, get these transferred over. I'll think about throwing them all in there. Ooh, a little splatter. All right. Make sure you got some air in there. And shake, shake, shake. Oh, that's perfect. That looks great. Actually, you can see this right here. Check this out. That's nice batter. I have the cat chasing me down now too. You want some of this? You are not getting this. All right, it is officially time to start some frying. Oh yeah. All right, there you go. We got the first batch in and it's about done. There's already some floaters going on in there. So we're gonna pull this one out, get the next ones in, and just repeat this cycle until we got them all cooked for us for tonight. Can't wait to get this on the table for my kids to eat and enjoy. Hope they like it. I'm sure they will. But yeah, we'll get this going and I'll see you in a couple. All right, we got the second batch going right now. The first batch here, I've already been nibbling on it so much. It is delicious. My son was actually out here. He already had a piece of it. He says it just reminds him of camping from 2 years ago. He's been craving this since then. So there you have it. Some fresh caught bass, marinated in some hot sauce, flour, salt, and pepper. Super simple, fried up for some delicious supper tonight. So, hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you next time. Later.